Sarah from the Detox Market, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to get glass skin featuring Siam Seas and Vapour Beauty. The Mega Herba Active Cleanser is an enzymatic and physical exfoliant that you can use a few times a week to get rid of any flakes and create a perfectly smooth base. Now I'm using the Siam Seas Yen Heal and Hydrate Toner. So I just take it and spray about 2 to 3 pumps on my palm and just tap and blend into my skin, and it's perfect to use for the Korean 7 skin method. And you can repeat this process up to 7 times. It really helps to plump and hydrate the skin without adding any weight. Next, I use the Siam Seas Balm to lock in moisture. Now that my skin's perfectly prepped and hydrated, I can move on to makeup. Next, I'm using the Vapour Primer, which gives a soft, focused glow, and it really helps brighten up the skin. Add foundation only where you need it. Take your time blending so the effect is seamless. This looks really bright in the packaging, but it really gives off a nice color. And for that next level glass skin glow, you can take this Vapour lip gloss in crystal, which adds like a really nice sheen and shimmer. You can apply it to your lips and even your cheeks and eyes. So that's how you get the glass skin look. For any questions, you can comment down below or email us at hello@thedetoxmarket.com.